another at-home DIY project. So my sister got this new TV and she wanted to put it up. So I came over with my tools and we got started. We had a little bit of extra hands helping us for the first part, but then we had to reconvene for part 2 of it. So watch as we set up the TV so that we can watch last year's Super Bowl. All right, so this is what you're going to do.
Yeah.
Can you look in the back and see if there's a mini screwdriver in there?
Oh, I see. It's green.
Yeah. Okay. You're going to do this part. Mm-hmm. Okay.
No.
Look, you're going to take this and you're going to go around and around and around and around and around all the way until it stops. Can you do that? Okay. I know you can. Here you go. You're welcome.
Probably in the room then.
Very good. Oh, wow. Oh, it's tight on here, but it's not tight. Flip it around. So this part is on that part.
Yeah.
You gotta flip it.
It don't seem that big though.
Yeah.
Right?
Looks like this.
Looks like a 40.
I'm gonna put this. What is this? What?
These people are so smart. That's what. That's all.
It looks like flowers. You just use diamond. It's a small one.
You need the screwdriver?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. So I'm trying to link it up.
I want to see if the screwdriver is this.
Be careful with the TV box.
Those are little.
But it's not. What am I missing? Because
Is it long enough?
should it be a longer one? I mean, it goes through.
I'll go through.
Because even if you look at it, the one that goes in there is short. Or maybe it's the black one. Oh, that makes sense. Because that's why that little hand wrench thing.
The Allen key?
Yeah, would be.
I'm gonna have to go.
Yeah, you can have that one.
I think it's
Figuring it out. Sorry, guys. Oh, it has it on both sides.
on
Wow.
both sides.
Yeah. It's a little handy dandy. You want to do this part, Papa? You want to do this part? Or you are part of the process?
So it's a little stuff.
Mm-hmm. You gonna help Tati Fafa?
It's been recording the whole entire time. I gotta do this.
Can you pause it?
Ugh.
I don't want the phone to die. DIY TV stand assembly right before the Super Bowl. So my sister and I put together her TV stand. She has her apartment looking really cute, and she wanted to finish it off by having her TV on top of her fireplace. So we were able to put it together rather quickly, and stay tuned and see how we set everything up, and we were able to enjoy the game.
And so there you go, it is a touchdown. They talk it over, Hurts on the quarterback sneak, he bridges it off to the sidelines, and another opening drive for a touchdown for